Think about what you've gained. An exoskeleton, muscle strength, and mobility. More tools in my arsenal. That's all. If I fine-tune my armament hockey and cover my exoskeleton with it, my legs will become stronger than ever. They'll be capable of supporting even hotter flames than the... This is ifrit jambe! Faster acceleration, heavier weight. I don't have any more doubt. Don't you know that a man should never hit a woman?